After 1 week, this is our Monstera Deliciosa that I bought a week ago. It's adapted to my place and developing new leaf, and it's time to give these plants more space and nutrition to grow. To repot them, just gently squeeze the plant against the pot and make space between pot and potting mix and roots, so it will be easily to repot it. Also, another sign that that's time to repot this plant is growing roots from the drainage holes from the bottom of the pot. So gently I'm trying to remove these nice beautiful plants from the potting mix, from the pot. Okay, that seems good. Wow, beautiful. Look at those roots. Nice. So gently try to remove as much as potting mix. Be gentle with root, but sometimes it's possible that you will lose some roots. It's normal, but try to keep as much as possible roots and remove as much as possible of potting mix. Sometimes losing roots is not very bad because it will trigger new roots development and formation. Nice. Look at these roots. Beautiful. We need to give these gorgeous plants new home so it can thrive and make bigger and lovely leaves for us. That's enough. And for potting mix, I'm using combination of 3 ingredients. One is just regular all-purpose potting mix, 2 portion, 1 portion perlite, and 1 portion orchid mix. You can remove the portion for the orchid mix and replace it with 3 portion of potting mix and 1 portion perlite. This is our portion for orchid mix. It helps to keep moist and humidity. These 2 portion is regular all-purpose potting mix to provide nutrition, and this 1 portion is just perlite to make better drainage in the pot. So we will mix them. Okay, for pot, you can choose different type of pot. Make sure there should be drainage hole in the pot. So let's cover bottom of pot with a layer of the potting mix and then try to distribute roots very well and keep plants in the middle. Always I'm trying to keep the plant in the middle, but never stays exactly in the middle. Just make sure there are not many air pockets in the pot and make sure that plant is tight in a place. Let's give these nice beautiful plant enough water. Also at the end, let's spray some water and clean these beautiful leaves so it will improve the photosynthesis of the plant. If you want to see update for this plant, make sure to like the video and subscribe to channel, and I'll keep you posted in next few months for these beautiful plants.